Hello everyone, happy Monday. I hope everyone had a wonderful July 4th. I was planning on doing more videos last week, but I took sick and my voice was completely gone. Um I don't know if it was the flu or whatever it was crazy. I still got a touch of it today. So if my voice sounds a little bit raspy, please look over me. Look at the market today, honey. 253.14 is what we have here. It's looking lovely. It's looking beautiful. Now, while I was down sick, my account was looking good. It was steady rising, so I was never losing money. Like last week, I was losing maybe a dollar or two, or a few cents here, or a couple dollars. It seems like as soon as I got sick, like the market started going up. So I would be somewhere around 240, then 243, and then steady rising. Now my account is at 253.14. But over the weekend, I decided to sell a couple of my stock. I sold Apple. I sold two of Chesapeake. I sold three of my the Sprint, and I sold all of Groupon. Groupon, I'm going to give you guys a bit of advice. Sell your Groupon. Groupon is, if you have a whole lot of stock in Groupon, you can sell like most of it and keep one or a couple of shares, but you're not going to make a lot of money in Groupon anytime soon. If you don't want Groupon to cause your portfolio to bleed a little bit as far as cash and value, because they're going through a little bit of a financial storm. But as you can see here, my buying power now is 225.48 after I sold those stocks. Now what I'm going to do, there's a couple of stocks that I'm looking at buying. All the stock that I had was free stock, right? So what I'm gonna do is transfer my free stock on over to some stocks that I would personally love to have for myself, that I think that will earn me money like a little quicker. And I'll tell you in the next video what those are. I'm still analyzing a couple. Here you can look at my watch list. I know I want Fitbit, guys. Fitbit is a monster. So, and I know that I definitely want, I'm thinking about a couple of penny stocks. And like I said, I will come back and let you know what my analysis is on those. I still have a little bit more researching that I want to do. Now, whenever you sell your stock in Robinhood, it's a good thing not to buy it back the same day. Wait until after the market's closed. Make a buy, then you know, and then you're in good standards. Say like I sold over the weekend, and I'm gonna wait until the market's closed today, most likely, and make a couple of buys. Except for that Fitbit, I'm gonna go ahead on and buy that today. I definitely know that I'm very confident about that. My energy is pulling towards that really strong. Now there are a couple of others, but I have to make do a little bit more research, so I don't want to force those out and have you guys going and invest money into that and then you lose money. So that's not my thing. But I'm really happy about what I did. What I want to do with Apple, let me look Apple up right now. I don't think it's on my watch list. Let's see, Apple. Yeah, it's on my watch list. Let's pull that up right now. What I want to do with Apple is, when it drops again, I'm going to buy that. What I sold it for and what I earned, it's going to go into my profit. So what I'm going to do now, guys, all that training that I was doing and all that studying and all of that research, I'm going to put all this stuff into action. So especially with the markets being up like they are, I sold it so I could get a little bit of profit. Now, it's expected high. Let's see. Yesterday was 180 something, but I felt like it's gonna go way over there. and that's what it did. It's up to 190.68 now. Now it's gonna drop again by Wednesday. Don't ask me how I know this, guys. I'm just really good with numbers. See, it's dropping already. When it drops at a certain point, I'm going to buy Apple all over again. I'm going to see what it looks like the day at close. I'm going to buy low and sell high. If you want to start making you some money and banking the profits, I don't care if it's $1 or $2. Buy low, sell high. That's how you're gonna make your money in the stock market. And if you get some stock, I saw some stock yesterday, guys. Oh my God. Let me see if I can find that stock again. I forgot to put it on my watch list. I was still feeling a little bit under the weather. It was a goodness. Let's see if I can find it. Let's see if I can remember the spelling of it. Biogen. Let's see if this was the stock I saw yesterday. This stock had a $67 increase in a day. If I can catch something like that, that would be amazing. It's dropped. See, it's dropped. But yesterday it had a $67 increase, and you could have made a pretty good. See where it was 347. Yesterday it was much higher. I'm quite sure that's the stock it was. Don't quote me on the guy, but I'm telling you, I'm quite sure that it was. Yeah, because it went up to, it was like 360 yesterday. But and it's saying that today's high might reach 360 again, and it's already at 351. Let me tell you something. That thing was crazy yesterday. I saw a couple of stocks that had a $37 increase. If I could have caught those type of increases, it would be crazy. But what I'm doing now, the strategy that I'm doing now, I'm taking my weak stocks, Apple excluded. I'm taking my weak stocks and I'm transferring them into stronger stocks that are going to bring me more profits in the long run. Now, Sprint is a good stock to invest in long term. Siri is good to invest in long term, but they have slow growth. So I'm trying to get into the stocks that have fast growth, that have high jumps, what they call them. They have the high peaks, and that's what I'm trying to get into, so I can sell them, bank the profit, and then buy it again. Sometimes I buy the same stock over when the price falls, or sometimes I'm gonna be buying a different stock that has a price drop. So keep your eyes open, watch me a little bit. I may fall, but I'm gonna get back up. Just watch me a little bit, and maybe you can earn you a couple of profits too. Watching my strategy, if you can put it into use. I know whenever I first started trading stock and buying stock, I was very, very scared because I didn't know what I was doing, and it can be very complicated. But give yourself some time and don't give up, because this is your future that you are, trying to put into a good place. You want to put yourself in a wealthy place in the future. Rome was not built overnight, so keep that in mind. Everything takes time. So give yourself some time and just love what you do. But right now I'm so proud that I'm at this point to where I can. And look, the market is steady rising, so this is a good time to be selling, guys, if you want to sell and bank those profits, because you can always buy that stock over again. So if you want to get those profits while the market is looking good, and you think it's gotten to a certain price where you think it's not going to go higher, then sell it. Because you can say, well, I'm going to wait till it get a little higher and get a little higher, and then it falls and you miss that. So don't try and be too greedy. It gets to a price increase that you're comfortable with, and your energy is telling you to make a move, make that move. You know, you never know. Get it while the iron's hot. Okay, people, I love you guys, and I just wanted to make this quick video. Sorry that I didn't make the videos that I had, you know, missed last week. I was not in the best of spirits. I'm not feeling too well now, but I'm feeling good enough to get back online and you know, connect with you guys. I love you all. I want to see you all prosper and do well in life, and continue to follow me. If you like this video and you like the content that I brought you today, and you felt like you received some value, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification tab so you can stay tuned to Anita Bryant TV. And thank you guys for the 200 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. God bless you. Talk to you real soon.